Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question biology 2018. Question number 20. Circulation in a mammal is said to be double because A. It passes twice through the heart in a complete circuit. B. It moves in both arteries and veins. C. It circulates in both the heart and other organs. D. The heart contains auricles and ventricles. So why is it that people say that, or why is it that it is said that circulation in mammal is a double circulation, or is double? So why do you say that? Now, for us to put this in context, first of all, we need to understand that in mammals the heart is four-chambered. We need to understand the process of circulation. Always know that the heart is four-chambered in mammal, and you know the heart is where the pumping of the blood takes place. So the heart is four-chambered. So the deoxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to the lungs. You understand? From the heart to the lungs, you pump the what? Deoxygenated blood. You understand? It's pumped from the heart to the lungs. That is the movement. There is pumping of the blood from the heart to the lungs of deoxygenated blood. Where gaseous exchange occurs in the lungs, here we have what we call gaseous exchange, because you want this deoxygenated blood to be oxygenated. So that happens in the lungs, oxygenation of the blood. So that's why it is pumped from the heart to the lungs, so that it can get oxygenated, because there is gaseous exchange occurring in the lungs. Now, oxygenated blood from the lungs, then from these lungs, now you now have the oxygenated blood because it has been oxygenated there. So here now you now have oxygenated blood. So from the heart now, the oxygenated blood from the lungs, after going from the heart to the lungs and getting oxygenated, the oxygenated blood from the lungs is returned to the heart. So it is now returned back to the heart, from where it is pumped to other organs. So from the heart now, you pump it to the other organs and tissues, not just the organs but other organs and tissues of the body. Now, oxygen is used up and the deoxygenated blood is then returned to the heart before it is sent to the lungs. So after going through the organs, it will now become deoxygenated again. So it becomes deoxygenated because the oxygen will also be taken out in these organs and tissues. So the blood now becomes deoxygenated blood, and it now has to go back to the heart again, so that the heart will send it to the lungs where there is gaseous exchange for it to get back oxygenated. So oxygen is used up and the deoxygenated blood is then returned to the heart before it is sent to the lungs. Blood passes through the heart. So you have now that the blood passing always through the heart twice before it completes one circuit, because it goes to the lungs, then to the organs, then back to the lungs to get oxygenated again. So you have that it passes twice to the heart for complete circuit. So for complete circuit of oxygenation and deoxygenation, you have it passing through the heart two times, when it was going for oxygenation and when it has gone round and is coming for deoxygenation. So that's why we call it double circulation, because it passes through the heart twice before you can have a complete circulation. So option A is the right answer for this, and that is why it is called double circulation. Option A is the right answer. Thank you.